Dr. Fixit Health and Wellness is an innovative multidisciplinary approach to feeling good and looking good. Clinical Director Dr. Rafael Rios introduces us to his vision for this unique wellness center.
Dr. Fixit is a multidisciplinary wellness center that offers a variety of different treatments: chiropractic and med spa, cosmetic and pain management, and we use a tagline that says it's a place where you can look good and feel good.
Dr. Rios tells us why he developed this niche in medical wellness.
I wanted different offices on multiple different appointments, and that's why I created Dr. Fixit. I found that a lot of patients were upset or disgruntled by going to different doctors who gave them different opinions. Here you get complete care where they can have A to Z treatment. So we have a complete approach to treatment here for both pain and aesthetics.
Dr. Rios reveals the services provided at Dr. Fixit.
Dr. Fixit offers chiropractic, sports therapy, physical therapy, spinal decompression, and on the aesthetics side, we offer Botox, fillers, chemical peels, facials, skin tightening procedures, and laser hair removal. We also offer testosterone replacement therapy and vitamin B injections as well.
What type of person comes to Dr. Fixit?
The average patient is the patient who is seeking treatment for chronic pain. They've been everywhere. They've been to a bunch of different doctors. Nobody's been able to help them. And so when they finally get frustrated, they end up here. And we're the ones who have the answer. We're also a wellness center where patients can actually come for cosmetic care, aesthetics, facials. And so the other patient that we see are people that are looking to preserve their beauty, their youthfulness, or regain that beauty or youthfulness when it comes to aesthetic medicine.
You won't have to wait weeks to get an appointment.
The Dr. Fixit Wellness Center is open 5 days a week. We're also open on Saturdays by appointment only, and we can get a patient scheduled in within 24 to 48 hours.
Dr. Rios tells us about his patient, Nicole.
I have a patient, Nicole, who is both a chiropractic patient and a med spa patient. She has come in for chiropractic care and has also come in for Botox.
I've been coming here for years. I have been receiving chiropractic services from Dr. Fixit. They are so professional, they are very timely. I can get in whenever it is that I would like. They usually work with my schedule, pretty flexible. I recently got introduced to receiving Botox, and I love the outlook of it. I love how it looks, and I absolutely love what it is that they're doing here. I like the flexibility of being able to receive an adjustment, but they also have a med spa as well where I'm able to get my aesthetics that I choose. Coming here makes me feel good, and it makes me look good too.
A variety of specialists are available on staff.
Our staff includes doctors of chiropractic, medical doctors, registered nurses, medical assistants, and estheticians. We also have partnerships with orthopedists, pain management doctors, neurologists, and surgical centers where we can provide all the care that the patient needs. We have 2 locations, one in the greater Los Angeles area, Pomona, California, which is just 40 minutes outside of Los Angeles, and one in the Inland Empire, which is in Rancho Cucamonga, California, which is just about an hour outside of Los Angeles. Our medical director's name is Richard Park, and he is a medical doctor based out of the Valley here in California. He's been practicing medicine for over 7 years, and he runs a multitude of clinics in Southern California.
Another service available is weight loss.
One of our services is weight loss, where we offer both natural and medical approaches to helping the patient lose weight. Weight is an epidemic in this country, and so we want to help patients overcome that, medically speaking, and help them in any which way that we can. So we use natural methods, which is just diet, guided with a counselor. And we also have medical methods, medical approaches where we can use fat burner injections and certain types of medications to help the patient lose weight.
Aesthetic services at Dr. Fixit can help you look your best.
When we offer facials, there's a variety of different types of facials a patient can get. It could be as simple as a cleansing to cleanse the skin, to a much deeper facial that helps to exfoliate and scrape away the old skin. There's also something called chemical peels, which helps to kill off the old skin so that new skin can regrow underneath. It helps to take away discoloration, acne scars, and things of that nature. Testosterone therapy is something that has grown in popularity lately in the last 10 to 20 years. What we've discovered is that there's something called andropause in men, and that's when their testosterone levels drop starting in the early 30s. And when that happens, it causes men to feel depressed, they lose energy, they gain weight, they lose their drive to do things. And sometimes they call that the midlife crisis because they're seeking something to regain that youthfulness. Testosterone therapy helps to replace the lost testosterone in a male to help them regain their confidence again, their youthfulness again, and make them feel like a man again.
Dr. Rios emphasizes a patient-centered approach to pain management.
When it comes to pain, the one thing that I know is that there's always a cause to that pain. And whereas most doctors are chasing the symptom, we look for the cause. Once we can identify that cause, we can treat that cause and correct it, and then, as a result, get rid of the pain. We know, just like a dentist, you have a cavity, and the cavity causes the pain. So you're not trying to take medication for the pain, you're trying to fix the cause, and that's what we do. I had a patient who was a mechanic who had initially presented to the emergency room, followed up with his physician, did physical therapy. He was told to do stretches. None of that worked, and it was hurting his ability to work as a mechanic. When he came to our office, I did an examination on him and determined very quickly what the problem was. We gave him a series of treatments that we have here that we offer through chiropractic and spinal decompression, and his recovery was quicker than the amount of time that it had taken him to get to our office. So whereas he was hurting for 2 to 3 months, we were able to help him recover and get back to work within about 4 to 6 weeks. And that's really what makes me tick. That's what makes me excited, is to be able to get somebody to recover and get better and give them the results that they're looking for.
Dr. Rios tells us how to get your immediate appointment.
If you'd like to make an appointment here at Dr. Fixit for a complimentary consultation, you can call 833-DR-FIXIT, that's 833-DR-FIXIT, and ask for Lexi.